Hey guys, it's me, Mabel. Today we're gonna play Fly Like a Bird Lite. Whoa! We can be a eagle, penguin. I don't know how to say that, but and a ringneck. Ringneck is my favorite, so I'm gonna play the ringneck. We are in multiplayer, so we can see more peoples. We're gonna log in. We have to wait. And city shapers, no skip. There are much different ones. I like the city most. So, we're gonna do the city. We have to wait again. Here we are. Oh shoot, I'm gonna fall very hard. Fly Like a Bird is a fly simulator with a bird. Oh look, there's the first one. You can die. You can be hurted like this. But I won't die, so I'm not gonna fly on anything. Oh look, there are trees. Trees are good. You have to be careful. You can sit in the trees. You can pee. There's a really nice flower. Oh no, don't pee on me. If you pee on me, I will pee on you. The guy was just into pee on me. Foxy! Oh my god, Foxy! Probably there are Five Nights at Freddy's freaks in here. Wait. Mangle. Oh my god. Mangle and oh shoot. Ow! He peed on me. Why you stalking me, you bitch? Ow! Someone peed on me again. Don't you dare! Don't you dare to do that again! Just gone. One life. Probably they're stalking me. Still. Yeah, they're stalking me too. Foxy! Five Nights at Freddy's freak. Oh shoot, and I died. That stupid guy's still peeing on me. We're just gonna replay. Multiplayer. No. Back. We're gonna be an eagle this time. We're gonna pee back them. Log in. Please wait. City Shape 1. Oh, we're the last one who can go into that world thing. And we still have to wait. Okay, I like that. Now we are an eagle. Oh shoot. He's lagging. My whole tablet is lagging. Damn it. I think I have to stop. Because we're gonna try to get later. Hey guys. Oh damn it. Well, now I can tell my story because it was extremely lagging. So I'm gonna play another simulator from the same maker. The butterfly game. This kind of butterfly simulator. And actually, I like this more. In this game, you can fly like a butterfly. It's just like, yeah, same thing, but then you're a butterfly. And you can only play in multiplayer with this. So, now we're gonna wait. Again. Oh look. There we are. I'm just a beautiful rainbow butterfly. I can't paint myself. Most of the time there's right and left above in the corner. Oh, look here. Whee! Oh, I can only choose black. No. Then we're gonna get some nectar out of that flowers there. We're gonna walk and we're gonna walk. You're walking upside down. And I'm doing like this. Where are the flowers? There are the flowers. Wow. Don't fall, please. Right, now we have to go and sit on the floor. Oh shoot, I'm falling down. In this game, you can't die, and that's pretty good news for me. Alright. Alright. Flower, come back to me. Or just come to me. Yay! I'm eating a flower. So now I have two colors. You can see it left above in the screen by that little sun. By the sun. I'm gonna eat some more nectar from that little flower there. Now we have much more colors. So now we can paint ourselves in rainbow colors. Yeah. Meow. I want to be another color. Give me another color. Yeah, that's a nice color, I think. This one. The biggest size. And we're gonna paint our body. This is the biggest size. I'm gonna be a beautiful butterfly. I'm gonna do this too. I have to paint my body more. Right, I don't hope this game is gonna lag. Oh, we're gonna play 8. We are playing 8 minutes. Or 9. I don't know. I don't care. I don't give a fuck about it. Right, there we go. Gonna do yellow. This is a bit dark yellow. Wait, give me the good yellow. Yeah, there it is. We are beautiful. The most beautiful splendor. Butterfly. I'm sorry. We're the most beautiful butterfly in this beautiful world. Be beautiful butterfly. Yeah, I know. I know it. I'm beautiful. So, chances very big I'm gonna be a beautiful butterfly too. But I have to watch out I'm not recording too long, or else I can't place this video on YouTube. I like it like it's now. I'm gonna draw a YouTube icon. On our wings. One of our wings is glitched into the flower. Toot. I have from outside for my car. Well, YouTube. It have to be a YouTube thing. But I don't give a fuck about it. Wait. Yeah. You guys know it. So. Whoa, we're beautiful. We're gonna fly to the sun. And then I have to say goodbye, guys. Oh, wait. To the sun. Yeah. We're gonna fly to the sun. And now I have to say goodbye, guys. See you soon. Hopefully.